Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on this laptop. So begin by opening the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select Accounts section on the left side of the window, then scroll down to Other Users section, open it, click Add Account. Now if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, then enter their email or phone number here, confirm with their password, and then create a PIN code for them. If you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person's sign-in information right here, and on the following page, select Create a user without a Microsoft account. Now, create a username for them, and create a PIN code. Make sure you don't forget it, and in case you or this user forgets their password, you have to create 3 security questions for them so that they will be able to answer them in case they forget the password in order to restore it. Input your answers, write them down if you wish, then click Next, and the account will be created. Now to switch to that account, open the Start menu right here, click on your account logo, then tap on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of this window, and select their account on the list, and this way you will switch to their account. Now to remove this account, you have to expand this list, then click Remove next to Account and Data. Make sure that you are signed out of their account, then click Delete Account and Data, and this way you will remove their account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.